WDLV-59 over there.
This is Snow Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your national weather service. The weather report of the California Atlantic transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area messaging coder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. This is Snow Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your national weather service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Western Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area messaging coder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
That was quick, TVW. That was quick. Just hoping that.
71. Wind east.
Okay. So hopefully it'll be waiting on Miami. Hope they don't be slow like it did.